Absolutely. It was mentioned in the Holy Quran in the verse وَجَعَلْنَا الْبَيْتَ مَثَابَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَأَمْنًا, that was for all mankind, and at the same time we do not, or the Mushrikeen are not allowed, non-believers are not allowed to go near the Baytullah al-Haram or near Khana Kabah. So how can we
I think it's the other way around. Mushrikeen are allowed to go to Khana Kabah for Hajj, and real Mujahideen are not allowed. We Ahmadis carry the banner of Tawheed aloft in the world, and we are offering every sacrifice for the sake of Tawheed, and we are turning hundreds of thousands of Christians into Muslims every year. But we are not permitted, are we? So they have reversed the table completely. Mushrikeen are allowed, the Brahmis, etc. And there are many types of Mushrikeen among the Muslims who even prostrate before graves in Delhi, in Lahore, Pakistan, Dawar Darbar. You go there and see how many mushrikana habits are found among them. Pakistan is full of mushrikeen, no shadow of doubt, and yet they are all allowed. So my question is, why have they turned the tables? Khana Kabah was built, in fact, for everybody, particularly for those who believe in the unity of God. Please translate this much first. Now the second answer is in the light of another verse as well, which says, "Inna awwala baytin wudi'a lin-nasi lalladhi bi Bakkata." Khana Kabah is the first house which was created or built for the sake of humankind, Annas, and not for the sake of Allah. So it is Allah who granted Khana Kabah to all mankind. This indicates that Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the prophet, is a universal prophet. Because from Khana Kabah he rose and invited all mankind to Khana Kabah. So no custodian of Khana Kabah have a right to interfere. And the call is given by the universal prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to all mankind. They must be permitted to visit Khana Kabah. But there is one little problem which has misled the jurists in Islam. Mushrikeen used to make circuits of Khana Kabah completely naked, and also they used to chant such vulgar songs as were contradictory to the honor and respect of Khana Kabah. So they were stopped. Mushrikeen was stopped because they carried their mushrikana habits along with them. So Hazrat Ali has very clearly spoken on this, and also as far as I remember, Imam Abu Hanifa has given his verdict that if you do not follow the mushrikana or idolaters' traits, then you can go to Khana Kabah, even if you are mushrik. Don't behave like a mushrik, and then you can go to Khana Kabah all right. So all this which you have been telling me is against the basic teaching of Islam.